Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video. Today we're going to set up some touch panels on the wall, and these are some Amazon Echo 15 shows. And what this is going to allow us to do is control Sonos throughout the house with it being on the wall without getting your mobile device. You can establish communications through drop-ins with other rooms. And the reason why we went with this one is because the client wanted a video intercom system. They don't make a lot of great ones out there. So this is our easy solution for them to give them that and a whole bunch of other ways to use it. So let's start by opening the box here. So as we get the box open, slide it out. And then, you know, just like all your Amazon products, it's got a nice Amazon logo and shows you a picture of what it looks like on the front. So let's go ahead and actually get it open. So as you can see, these things are pretty nice looking as far as the design and how it's supposed to look. So you can see they got this little bezel of white all the way around it. And that allows it to do an art mode. So you can display picture frames up there as far as you know, your own personal stuff or what Amazon provides. And if you take a look at the back, it's very simple. They do give you a mounting bracket to mount it on the wall. And let's say you want to mount it like this. Cool. Let's say you want to mount it like that. Fine. Let's say you've already mounted this on the wall and you want to change orientation. Lift it up, change orientation. So with that being said, we'll get to putting this up here on the wall. And what we do is we have a stud that's on the inside of this. So what we'll do is line one side up with a stud, and then it comes with a package of anchors, and we'll use the other two anchors for the other side. Stay tuned and we'll show you some more as we go. Always want to make sure you get everything level. If it ain't level, then it's going to look weird and crooked, and we don't want all that. So I'm just using my screwdriver here to kind of mark where my holes are going to be. See where my holes are supposed to be. And these sheetrock anchors are real easy to put in. Just kind of make a small hole. And just tap it into place. And with the other side, we'll hit the stud, so we don't need anchors on that side. It's magnetized, but it doesn't hold it. Another reason why we're making a video today is when we were first looking at these, I didn't see any good videos that show you how to mount it. It's real easy. We're using our physical Cat 6 that's wired to our attic right behind us here. So it's maybe 30 foot to supply power without running it down the wall. Most of the videos I've seen, this is what I've seen right here. And nobody wants to see this as a finished result. Even though, yes, it's white, I wouldn't want to see that in my house, so we're not going to do that here. So we come up with a solution to make it work from our Cat 6. Good thing I already had it leveled. Alright, and we'll splice together the power, but just to kind of show you what it looks like mounted on the wall. Pull it out. Shove that back in there out of the way. And it just kind of lines up right there. It hooks right up. So let's say, like I said, you want to change orientation. It's that easy. Alright, stay tuned and we'll show you more once we get them going. Right here, I'm going to just show you guys basically what it looks like on the wall. Very little space off the wall. You can see no wires hanging out. Very nice, clean finish. And it'll allow them to do a whole bunch of different options as far as using Alexa throughout their smart home. Alright guys, we got all the Echo Show 15s in. We have 4 of them at this house. So with that being said, we can drop into any of the locations throughout this room, and the more they add, the more accessibility they'll have as far as talking to individuals in each rooms if they add them. Right now we did one in the living room kitchen area, one in the master, one in the upstairs loft near the kids' bedroom, and then they have a guest house that we put one in as well. So stay tuned and I'll keep showing you more. So as we flip around, take a look at this. It is in art mode. So what art mode's going to do is it's going to scroll through different pictures, and you can do your own pictures, stock photos that they have had, which some of them look really cool. So but you can have your own pictures on there, like I was saying, that'll allow you to, you know, show family photos and whatnot like that. Let's say you want to not be seen on this camera. Let's say it's in your master. In the night, you can reach up here, a little switch, and it actually covers the entire camera and turns it off. So, while we're kind of sitting here waiting, Kyler's going to actually give me a call from one of the other ones, and I'll show you how we answer it. Alright guys, so Kyler's making a call from the other room, so let's flip around and I'll show you what we're looking at. Hey Kyler, how you doing?
Hello.
And you see we don't have to answer it, and you see how, you know, clear the picture is. You can see the bowl of oranges on the table there. So it's real easy. Let's say you're done with the phone call. You can easily hit the end button and it's going to hang up. So let's say I want to drop in on that without using voice. You can scrub down, hit your communication there, and we're going to do a drop in, and we can actually go guest house 15 show. And we'll wait for it to load in. And it gives you a privacy window that blurs it out for the first like 10 seconds or so. So once that goes away, we'll be able to see Kyler standing there again. Hey Kyler, how's it going? So with that being said, you can utilize any of the 4 touch panels we have throughout the house to do that. And let's say they add any more of the echoes like that, they can drop in. And you can utilize drop in through the app as well, which works pretty well. So if, let's say you're not at home, you still want to see what the kids are doing, who's at the guest house, you can do that. Well, and another thing, let's go ahead and we're going to go back to our home here. Alexa, home. And we have it enabled that we can actually control our Sonos from here. And another cool feature with this particular one, yeah, there's a TV right there that you could watch. But let's say you wanted a quick access. Hey, Alexa, play Great Choice videos on YouTube. And it's going to use the web browser right through it and pull up what you're wanting to look for. So as we can see right here, it pulls us up right there at the top. And we can scroll down and see some videos. And the audio on these aren't too bad. Now, I do recommend doing it in stereo and pair of speakers and a Sonos amp to get the audio from it. But this is really good feature right here, guys. You can play all kinds of different things. Amazon Music is built in. Amazon Prime Video, you can log into your
85-inch TV. And as you see
any of your streaming services accounts you can log into. And just like you see me up at the top, it does have push buttons. One is microphone mute and then volume up and down. With that being said, we'll see you next time, guys. Have a great choice day.